Kala niyo si Kim Kardashian, no? Nung tinitigan niyo, Kim at Chensa lang pa.
Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila, ay bahating doon ngayon! Diba? Kaya ang swerte-swerte natin, diba? Dumating ako dito sa London, na slight na loka din ako, kasi sabi ko, ay umuulan, ulan ng ulan. Pero sabi ko, okay lang, may flood control naman sila dito.
Kala niyo si Kim Kardashian, no? Nung tinitigan niyo, Kim at Chensa lang pa. Okay, thank you so much, G-Force. Lagay mo na yan sa likod, huwag mo iuwi, di pa bayad yan. Okay, uhulog-hulugan ko pa yan. Marami-rami pa akong bubunuin dito. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here! What's up, Batang England? Ayan, nag-sink in na sa inyo na ako yung nasa harapan ninyo. Kasi kanina, nung tinawag yung pangalan ko, wala pa ako naghihiyawan kayo. Pero nung lumabas ako, parang nabigla, natulala. But it's okay, I fully understand. I understand. Alam kong hindi nyo inaasahan na ganito ako kaganda sa personal. Diba? Pag nakatalikod ka, alam mo, heart evangelista, diba? Pagharap, cheese, escudero. O joke lang ha, joke lang. Komedyante ako. O, mga pota kayo, nakakalimutan nyo yun. Komedyante, ah? Diyos ko? May isa pang blandina? Didn't you get the memo? Only one blonde is allowed in the room today. Diyos ko. Halika, kausapin nga natin to. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Molly Palma from Samar, and I live here in Birmingham.
Oh, how long have you been living here in Birmingham?
I live here for the last 24 years.
24 years ka na dito, pero parang hirap ka pa rin mag-English. Okay lang yun. Diba? Kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon nag-English kayo, lalo na kung ang kasama mo puro mga Pilipino din, mga taga-Samar din. Diba? What do you do here in Birmingham? What is the nature of your existence?
I'm a registered nurse at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, and also I'm a beauty queen maker, the royalties king and queen maker.
Beauty queen maker? Nagtitrain ka na ng beauty queen? O ba't oily ka? Dapat fresh yung mga beauty queen. No, it's okay. But I really appreciate your effort of, looking this fabulous today. We appreciate, I can feel that you are very excited to see all these stars from my ABS-CBN. Are you having a great time so far?
Yes, so far I'm very happy that I finally meet you. Yeah, actually we have a common friend. Michael Sink is a friend of mine.
Oh yeah, Michael Cinco? Is he your friend? Really? Why? Charot, ang taray. Okay, nice to meet you. Yung mga Pilipino pala dito sa Birmingham, amoy araw din. So, bakit ka amoy araw? Mahamok naman sa paligid. Umuulan nga. Okay, dito ako sa taas para mas makita yung kaganda. Dito ako sa taas para mas makita yung kaganda ko, para hindi malugi yung mga nasa likod. You deserve to see this beauty. Thank you very much. Ayan, atake. Aura con aura. Okay. This guy wearing glasses, he's been staring at me differently today. I assume he's not Filipino. You're not Filipino. You're British, sir? You're British. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay,
Maganda ako sa LED. Utang na, ayaw magpakita eh. Hindi ko makita eh. Yeah, you're British and the woman beside you is your wife. Congratulations. I would like to personally congratulate the both of you, especially the husband. Excuse me. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, madam. What?
He came here to see you.
Oh, you came here to see me? Why? Do I look your father? Does your father look like me? Are you looking for him? No. What is your name?
James.
James. Is that correct? Your wife just told me that you came here to see me. Is that right, or he's just pulling my leg? Don't pull my leg. Pull something else. Oh, I'm just kidding. Is it true?
Yes, true.
Why? Why are you looking forward to seeing me?
When I lived in the Philippines, I really enjoyed the shows you when you were on.
So you watch Showtime all the time?
Yeah, when I moved.
Every day?
Yes.
That's not true. We don't air on Sundays. We only air 6 days a week. How can you tell me that you watch Showtime all week, all days of the week? But it's okay. You watch Showtime every day. So do you know Ann Curtis?
Yes.
She's one of the ugliest personalities in the Philippines. One of the ugliest faces. Oh my God! If you get to see her in person, the skin is so awful. Oh my God! Yeah, and she smells so bad. No, I'm just kidding. Ann Curtis is my sister, and she's a wonderful, beautiful human being. Yeah. So, how old are you?
I know.
Ate, pa-picture ka na pa-picture. Ano ako ba? Tourist spot? Nakita mo may kausap ako, di ba? Tapos pa-picture na, ginawa mo akong tourist spot. Okay. What?
I love you so much.
Thank you very much, but I cannot return the love. You're a woman. I'm sorry, I don't eat seafoods. I only eat century eggs. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll give you what this. Thank you very much. How long have you been together?
Since 2013.
20, so ako pa magkukompute. 25 minus 13, 12 years. You've been together for 12 years. How was it?
Amazing.
Amazing so far. So, how was your life? Very active?
Yes.
What part of your married life is very active?
Anyway.
Everything. Oh my goodness. Can I join the activity? You know, just once a week. No. Yeah, so, thank you very much for taking care of my fellow Filipina here. And yes, sincerely, honestly, I would like to congratulate you because marrying a Filipina is the best choice, best decision that you have ever made in your entire life. The Filipinas make the best wives in the whole world. Filipinas are very hospitable. And once you have sex with them, you go straight to the hospital. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Why are you wearing glasses? I want to see your beautiful eyes. Oh my God! Amazing! You have 2 eyes. Yeah, just like me. Awesome. Alright, okay. Nice to meet you. Okay. I love you, ate. Mag-ingat ka. Taga-saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. Naku, tamang-tama. Bahang-baha ngayon sa Quezon City. Buti na lang nandito ka. Diba? Ano ito? You're giving me a ring? I'm married. What?
Friendship ring.
Friendship ring. Oh, thank you. I can take the ring, but I cannot take the friendship. I've got a lot of friends already. I don't plan to add anyone anymore. No. Why are you giving me a friendship ring? I am not expecting this.
Because I'm really proud of you I saw you 10 years ago in London. And you've come a long way, and you're really smart, big-hearted.
Oh my God, thank you. That melts my heart. What?
I hope it fits you.
I hope it does too. Is it real or just... It's real? I will find a way to fit it. Oh my God, perfect. I want the necklace also. It's beautiful. Is it important to you? If it's not important to you, you have to help your poor fellow Filipinos. Yeah, thank you. You're Filipino also, di ba? Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila, ay bahatin doon ngayon! Di ba? Kaya ang swerte-swerte natin, di ba? Dumating ako dito sa London, slight na loka din ako kasi sabi ko, ay umuulan, una ng ulan. Pero sabi ko, okay lang, may flood control naman sila dito, for sure. Kaya okay lang mag-uulan, safe naman kayo, di ba? Eh sa Pilipinas kasi, umihi lang si Lord, bahang-baha na. Okay. I love you too so much. Alam mo, kapal na mukha ko, tinanggap ko talaga yung sing-sing. Parang bigla ko na pag-isip, am I supposed to accept it? Of course. Oh, bakla ka, oh. Sa dinabi-dami ng artistang nag-perform, ako lang nabigyan ng sing-sing. Pak, 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 pak. Yes. Pagkano kaya sang lani to? Okay, thank you very much. Okay. I love you too very much. Kanina pa kayo nandito, ang aga-aga niyo dumating, tama? And we are very grateful dahil up until now, ang taas pa ng energy nyo as if we just started. Give yourselves a big hand. Damang-dama kong energy. Kasi tingnan nyo, kung saan tuturo itong kamay ko, tingnan mo, magwawala yung tao dahil mataas ang energy nila. Wow! Iba! Party ang mga tao. Since party mode kayo, I would like to invite everyone to stand up. Let's stand up and dance. Do you guys want to dance? Why did you go to the disco? Why did you go here? Okay. So, kung saan tuturo ang kamay ko, gusto kong makita kung paano sumayaw ang mga kapamilya natin dito sa England. I wanna see how you guys move. Paano ba mag-party ang mga Pilipino sa Birmingham? Kasi sa Pilipinas, sa mga tao doon, ganyan-ganyan na lang, hindi na masyadong sumasayaw kasi sila mahihawak ng cellphone. Diba? Pero dito, iba daw mag-party ang mga Pilipino eh. Okay? Tignan ko nga, tignan ko. So, patugtugin nga natin yung saliw ng kanilang pagsasayaw. Kung saan tuturo ito, patingin lang ng sayaw ha. Patingin ng kapamilya energy. Go! Matakot sumayaw, katawan ay igalaw. Sige, sumayaw ka! Shake it, huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Shake it, let's go! Yeah! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Let's go! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Yung mga doon, shake it, sumaw, shake it. Sa likod, shake it, come on, shake it. Sa gitna, shake it, come on, shake it. Taray, iba ang vitamins yata dito sa England. Tingnan mo, may mga senior citizens na pero sumasayaw pa. Sa Pilipinas, 16 years old pa lang, pagod na yung mga itsura. Si ate, okay. Gusto mong sumayaw? Ay, may ipapartner ko sa iyo para lalo kang sumayaw. Nasaan si Robby Domingo? Robby, pwede mo bang partneran itong si ate? Kasi iba siya eh, gusto niyang sumayaw. Pwede kang, pwede ka bang, baka maikot ba si Robby? Okay. Ano pangalan mo ate?
Nemi po.
Nemi, pangalan pa lang, alam mong chismosa. Nemesis. Nemi, gano'n na po kayo katagal dito sa England?
20 po.
20 years na. Ano pong trabaho nyo?
Nurse po.
Nurse din. Ipinagpupunyi ng buong Pilipinas lahat ng Filipino nurses sa buong mundo. Lalo-lalo na ang mga Filipino nurses dito sa England. Ipinagpupunyi namin kayo lahat kayo, mga mahuhusay na nurses, mararangal na nurses, mga nurses na may dignidad. Kaya maraming nurses ang nandito na nag-call in sick pero ang totoo wala naman sagot. Gusto lang manood na talaga ng concert. Charot lang. 20 years na po kayo. May asawa po?
Wala po, iwanan.
Ano po?
Wala po.
Wala po. Bakit? Kasi may plema kayo, kaya umalis yung asawa niyo. Kung tinura niyo agad yan, baka kayo magkasama pa rin. Lumipat sa kapitbahay, o hayaan mo na. You deserve someone better.
I don't like anymore.
You don't like anyone. You deserve your love.
Wala kang showtime.
Talaga mo. Sino po kung pinaka-paborito niyo sa Showtime?
Siyempre po ikaw tsaka si Kim Chu.
Ah, yes. Siyempre, ang babanggitin yung pangalan kung sino yung nandito. Ako at saka si Kim Chu. Yung iba wala naman dito, wala naman yung silang babanggitin. Sino po?
Eh, talaga ikaw tsaka si Kim Chu lang.
Ako at saka si Kim Chu. Gusto mo ba maging mag-love team na lang kami ni Kim Chu? Pero bukod sa amin, nanonood ka din ng ASAP, gusto kong ipakilala sa iyo, isa sa mga pinakamahuhusay at pinakagwapong host ngayon sa Pilipinas, Robby Domingo. Oh, tinitigan mo, nahiya kang umawak na sabi, ay, ang gwapo.
Opo.
Ang gwapo, di ba? Naalala mo bigla yung mga bagay na hindi mo na nagagawa kung wala nang puso sa akin.
Siguro po, pero hindi ko na...
Siguro po. Opo, si Robby Domingo po. So, kayo po ay sumasayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw.